Create an app that converts blurry image into high quality image. Search Google AI Studio and click this. Now click this one. Now you can type your prompt in this area, or you can give prompt as your voice command. Now I am going to give my prompt as a voice command. So I click this icon. Create an app that converts blurry image into high quality image. I click this build button. Then you can see this AI tool is generating accurate. This is created app. So I'm going to upload image. I upload this image. Then I click this enhance image. Now you can see these generated tools convert blurry image into a high quality image. If you need to get previous generated app, so you can back to start. You can by clicking your apps tab. You can see in this page all the apps are included that you generate. Using prompt engineering techniques, you can achieve high quality result in a very short time. If you want to learn about prompt engineering, watch the prompt engineering video series on my YouTube channel. Link in the description below.